Okay, so how do we start this? Hi guys, welcome to my channel. भाई मुझे बहुत हंसी आ रही है कब से मतलब ऐसा खुद पे बट सो मैंने सोचा था कि मैं ऐसा बुलेट पॉइंट्स लिखूंगी एंड ये डिस्कशन ब्लॉग बनाने का ना हफ्तों से चल रहा है विथ माय फ्रेंड्स and I'm like discussing how do I start. I think I would start like this and that. So बातें बहुत हुई. अभी जाके finally I am like shooting it. But when I spoke to them, they told me कि like you have to keep it natural, of course. So just write some bullet points so that you do not miss out on anything. But I felt like that's making me procrastinate more कि मैं bullet points लिखूं फिर बनाऊं और मेरे को मन भी नहीं है कुछ भी लिखने का या कुछ भी याद करने का. It will make me feel like I'm making some audition video or something which I don't want. So this is gonna be like an introduction vlog where I will speak a little about myself. I hope I'm being able to speak little. For me, talking less is a task. So yeah, I'm not restricting myself. It's just that I want to keep it short and simple. But yeah, this is for the people who know me little, who know me, who don't know me at all. So this is for you guys that you'll get to know who I am, मैं कहाँ से हूँ, क्या करती हूँ, and everything else. So yeah, my name is Devashri Vora. I am 22 years old, and I was born and brought up in Kolkata. I completed my schooling and everything there, and then I moved to Pune for my college, and now I'm in Bombay, and I hope to stay here forever. That's the plan for now. Let's see later. So, career wise, I am a full time actor. Yeah, it definitely is surreal to say it. And it's just possible because of my family, my mom and my sister. The reason why I'm being able to do it. So yeah, and what do I like? I mean, there's a whole lot of things that I like and I dislike, which you will obviously eventually discover each day with me. But yeah, for now, I mean, this is something which I do daily. Uh, try to focus on my career, try to focus on my physical, mental health, which everyone is trying to do. It's we all are trying to reach somewhere. A lot of you guys must have this question of what will you expect from here basically? कि मेरे vlogs में क्या होगा? Honestly, मुझे भी नहीं पता. मुझे नहीं पता कि मैं कोई स्ट्रक्चर तो फॉलो नहीं करने वाली डेफिनेटली. मैंने बस ब्रॉडली सोचा है कि व्हाट आई वांट टू अचीव हियर इज दैट द फर्स्ट स्टेप विल बी टू शो माय ऑथेंटिक सेल्फ व्हिच आई फील is very brave. Like the people who do it, the people who have achieved it, who have reached there, it's crazy. And I want to reach there too. So this will be my journey of achieving that. And I hope so I do it. Apart from that, like everything that I'm doing in my life, um, like daily vlogs, or if I travel somewhere, or if I go somewhere to eat, like basic stuff. Um, like what do I do for fitness, or what do I do for skincare, or anything which is related to me around me will be something that I would like to show you guys and take you guys with me on my journey. Yeah, that feels good. Hmm. So yeah, um, वही है कि कुछ ऐसा फिक्स्ड नहीं है जो आप एक्सपेक्ट करोगे. जो सब मुझे पसंद है, जो सब मुझे नहीं पसंद है, बेसिकली मेरे बारे में सब कुछ is what you guys are gonna be knowing about. So yeah, I hope so. I'm not missing anything. मुझे बोलने की जरूरत नहीं थी. even if I do, it's okay, right? But I hope so. Like, this was like a mini introduction of me, where I am at life currently. And you'll soon see different things and learn a lot more about me as we go forward. But I'm really excited, and yeah, I'm just happy. So I, of course, I love to be in front of the camera, and इसके वजह से मैं और रहूंगी in front of the camera. So that's a good thing. So yeah, bye guys. And the next step is to say, like, share, subscribe to my channel to stay with me and know more about me. And gradually, I will also answer more questions as we go forward. Okay, bye.